If you are watching our video for the first time, click the subscribe button for more interesting videos and click the bell icon to receive instant notification whenever we upload a new video. Hi, in this video we are going to see stone Zadi stitch. I have sticked the stone with glue. Take a cotton thread and Zadi. Leave the Zadi inside the thread, break it and do the stitch. We are going to stitch this around the stone in the wavy way. Now turn to the other side and continue the stitch. So you can overlap on the Zadi. Like this you can overlap to get a shape. If the thread went inside, leave the hook inside and take out the thread like this. So after coming to the end, pull the spring out, remaining spring out and cut it. Lock it in the end and complete. The stitch is done. Thank you. Stay tuned for more interesting videos. Thank you. Have a good day.